Hi. So, how to not be a trained parrot? What do I mean by that? Human beings often display herd animalistic behavior, basically following the masses blindly. We are trained at an early age to be affected by the weather, by family, by workload, right? Often the most minute life unfoldings, we are trained to be affected by every little occurrence. This occurs due to the global benefit that can occur. Keeping people in states of flight and fight regularly keeps individuals in a weaker state, a weaker mindset. Hence, people can manipulate you when you are in those constant states of despair, whether it's due to politics, family, finances. The goal often is to keep you in those flight and fight modes regularly on a constant daily basis. For example, individuals' mood changes dependent on the weather, what a family member said, how a random stranger acts, how colleagues gossip. We're not taught to see unconscious behaviors as just experiences. We're taught to dramatize events and be on constant states of sorrow. We see this in movies. We see this in our own family dynamics, at social environments, how individuals react or respond to life occurrences. And then afterwards, we carry that hurt and pain and drama in our lives, in our hearts and minds for years, if not decades. So how do you get out of this programming? Can you still see the beauty in life regardless of what life throws you? Can you see it? Can you have a bird's eye view on life? For instance, if it's the weather, can you see the beauty in the rain? The immense abundance in your life. People nonsense, rude behavior. Can you see the beauty and greatness in your life, regardless of others' dysfunction or the wavelengths they're in? Just like you don't let the weather control you, don't let stray, inconsistent human reactions control you. Absolutely not. So what are some techniques that you can utilize? Say to yourself, I'm not a trained parrot following the masses blindly. Remind yourself, unconscious individuals actually give you content. They give you wisdom. They make life adventurous. Remind yourself, interesting life unfoldings make life exciting. Laugh at unconscious life unfoldings. Laugh at people nonsense, like, oh goodness. Say to yourself, not my energy. I'm sending it back to the sender. Not my energy. Sending it back to the sender. Or utilize that energy and turn it into wisdom and share it with others. Turn it into content. Another technique, notice it and say to yourself, not my problem. Next, send a prayer and say to the individual that's engaging in unconscious behavior, may you find your way out of your story. Many individuals are just stuck in their stories, stuck in their programmings. And it's a sad state to be in. It's an uneasy feeling to be in. And lastly, let go of toxic individuals and trust in the divine. God knows what he's doing. Take care. Get out of that programming. Regardless of what's going on in life, shine, stay aligned, and be on purpose daily.